Hi guys, this is Pretzel. She's going to help me with our Newton's first law experiment today. So I have a raw egg and a boiled egg, hard-boiled egg, and we're going to perform a little experiment to see if we can determine which is which. So the experiment is as follows. I'm going to spin both eggs, and then I'm going to just tap them for a moment and watch what happens. So let's start with this egg. Put it on this hard surface so we can see it a little better. So if I tap, let's get a little bit more spin here. There we go. Notice what happens. Let's do that one more time. So I spin the egg. Let's get not a very good egg spinner. Tap. Watch what happens. So keep that in mind, right? So we tapped it. The egg continued to spin in the direction that I forced it to spin it. So let's try our other egg. I tap it. It stops spinning. Tap. Stop spinning. It's rolling because my table is not level. But as we spin, tap, it will stop spinning. So this egg, when I spun it and then tapped, stopped its spinning motion. And this egg, when I spun it and then tapped, continued to spin after I lifted my fingers. Which one do you think is raw and which one do you think is hard-boiled? So if you said this egg was the raw egg, you are correct. So what happens inside the egg? When you tap the shell, that does not affect the insides of the egg. So the egg's inertia is not disrupted. So an object in motion wants to stay in motion. The inside of the egg is an object in motion. It was not affected by any unbalanced force when I tapped the outside of the egg, so it continued to spin. Pretty cool, huh?